This is a teardown of a network hardware resale branded SFP module, model GLC-LH-SM-NHR, rated for 1.25 gigabit at 1310 nanometers and 10 kilometer range. And just looking here, see how this comes off. Use flathead screwdriver. And I'm just gonna pry these wings up. This appears to just slide on. Those might be helping it stay in place. Nope. Yeah, let's try peeling the shell off, I guess. There we go. Curious. Don't think it'll, no, not that easy. Just wondering how they got that mechanism together. Oh, there we go. Things are going to spring the thing in. So you have to hold this back, and then it kind of twists into place. Or maybe it goes an upward angle. I don't know. You saw me take it off, hopefully, if you wanted to see how it goes together. This board's just resting in here. No screws. I need to remove this little retention clip here. That's holding the laser and receiver in place. Oh, that's interesting. They poke through and then slide down. Here's the housing. Oof, it's tiny. Oh, a lot of chips on here though. Oh, come on, focus. You'll have to pause if you want to read those. My hands are too shaky. I really packed that in that board nice and tight though. Lots of chips and passives. Huh. Also, I noticed something interesting here. You see all these little spots and speckles on the aluminum metal bits. Looks like they must have laser welded the lenses to the laser assembly rather than it being one solid piece. That's kind of neat. But hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.